Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to have the exact percentage inside of it or next to it, just like I have, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the settings. Here, let's find the option, the battery, let's tap, and enter more settings at the very bottom. As you can see here, we've got the battery percentage, so let's tap. And here we've got three different options. Currently I've got the display inside of battery, so as you can see we've got the percentage inside the battery icon. We can set it outside the battery icon, and we've got also the option don't display the battery percentage, so probably this is the option you've got right now. So it's up to you which option looks best for you. I think I will stick with the middle one. So actually that's all. This is how to show actually the battery percentage on the status bar in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.